Welcome to our video. Today we talk about the black and white seed come from plant Silva hispanica, which are very important due to its nutritional value. These seeds are named as the chia seed. Chia seeds are enriched with the nutrients and good source of the fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and minerals and vitamins such as calcium, magnesium, and potassium. These are low in calories and carbohydrates. It's making them popular ingredient. These are versatile and can added to the variety of food and drink such as smoothies and yogurt, milk, oatmeal, and salad. When chia seeds are the mixed with the liquids, they form gel-like substance. Now we discuss how chia seeds is important for us or why chia seeds is so important. Chia seeds are the rich with the nutrients are good source of the nutrients such as the fatty acid, omega-3, fiber, protein, and many vitamins and minerals. So that's why it is important for us. Another reason for its importance, it is very helping in the weight loss. As we know, chia seeds is rich with the fiber and proteins, helping you to feel fulfilled and satisfied, which leads to reduced calorie intakes. Chia seeds are very important to reduce the inflammation in body. Chia seed is enriched with omega-3 fatty acid, which is anti-inflammatory properties due to reduce the inflammation in body. Chia seeds is very important for the heart health. As we know, chia seeds high in the fiber help to reduce the cholesterol level, which is very important for heart health and heart disease. For diabetic patients, chia seeds is the very important for regulating the sugar level. Regulate blood sugar level due to it high in fiber. Slow down the absorption of the sugar in bloodstream, which help to regulate the sugar level. Chia seeds are enriched with the antioxidant. This property of the chia seed makes it important for us. Antioxidants are very necessary for our lives, which protect body against the damage of the free radicals. Due to this, it reduces the risk of cancer. It is very important to consume in moderation level as the part of the balanced diet.